How to fix Facebook app crashing on Android. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will be teaching you how you can fix a crashing Facebook app on your Android. So before we begin, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. So let's jump right into it. So there are simple troubleshooting methods that you can use to fix your Facebook app crashing. First is restarting your device. A simple restart can resolve temporary glitches that causes the app to crash. So all you have to do is restart your device. For that you can press your power button and then you'll find the restart button. Tap on it to restart your device. After you restart your device, check if this fixes your problem. If not, check for updates. Go to Google Play Store. On your Google Play Store, search for Facebook. After you search for Facebook, check if there is an update available for your app. If there is, install any available updates, and that should fix any technical glitches that the app might contain. After that, you might have to go to your settings, go to apps. From apps, tap on see all apps and then search for Facebook. After you find Facebook, open it up, and from here you'll find storage and cache. Head over there, and from here tap on clear cache. And after you clear your cache, relaunch the Facebook app. You might have to log back in, and after you log back in, your problem will get fixed. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.